and today I'm going to be showing you how to use my FinStats financial analysis web application. So to start off, we're in the Home tab right now. You need to make sure that this box loads. Like, let me refresh this again. So the site first loads like this, but then the box with all the stock names has to load, which establishes the connection with the server. So what we can do now is just select stocks in here, like 3M. It'll add it to our selected tickers list, AMD. And we could also type in a ticker that is in the S&P 500 list, or with an exception to SPY. SPY will work as well, but let me show you. If we try to add like BNTX, it's not in the S&P 500 list, so it won't add that. If we do like BTC, it won't add that. But if we do Tesla, it will add that. So this is two ways to input the stocks in this. We can do Accenture, Adobe, and now that we're satisfied with our stock ticker list, we can come to our risk-free rate and market rate, which are imported from the API, but we can set our own risk tolerance and target return using these arrows. So I will do a risk tolerance of 1.3 beta, and my target return will be 15%. So let's go ahead and fetch the data. So this is what's loading here. Okay, it's all loaded. So we come to Portfolio Optimizer. This tells you how much percent to allocate into each stock based on minimizing your risk and maximizing your return. This one is just a financial analysis section with like annual financial ratios, quarterly financial ratios, and financial statements for like annual and quarterly. This is the historical analyzer. It takes all the candlesticks data and calculates the correlation matrix, risk reward chart. And if we come down here, we could have a. Let me make this a bit smaller. So we have our distribution of returns for the past 50 days, the price for the past 50 days, the candlesticks for the past 50 days, and the correlation plot, which uses a Gaussian cupola and inputs the correlation to make the graph look pinched like that or wide like this if it's correlated or not correlated. And we can take a look. S&P 500 doesn't have it because if you physically input its correlation, it's going to result in a zero in the denominator, so that would not work out. But yeah, Tesla has it. And then yeah, we could I also want to show you we could increase the time window. Let's look at the last 445 days. So you can see this loading bar here again. So now we have technical analysis indicators. Let me zoom in on that. So we have our Bollinger Bands, our price, 50-day moving average, and 200-day moving average, and our candlesticks, distributions, correlation. So that's let me bump this back down. Now this is the news tab, just lists like recent articles about each stock and whether it's like positive or negative sentiment. And this last one is just a Forex rates tab where you can just hover over the graph and then like see which currencies exchange for what. But yeah, this is the tutorial on using my web application. I hope y'all enjoyed watching this, and I hope y'all enjoy using the app. Thank you. Bye.